What do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman.
Where is your business office?
Alaba International Market.
What kind of items do you deal on?
I deal on Tokumbo items,
Can you tell us specifically which type of Tokumbo items you deal with?
such as TV, printer, photocopy, and laptop.
Where were you traveling to?
Going to Hong Kong.
Okay, can you tell us what happened today as you came to Abuja Airport, the 21st of October 2023?
I was caught with a drug.
Did you pack the drugs in your bag, your body, or you swallowed them?
I swallowed them.
How many pellets did you swallow?
49 pieces.
49 pieces. You know the type of drug you swallow?
I don't know.
Did they tell you?
No, sir.
They did not tell you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did they make any promise to you?
Yes.
Or were you paid?
I was not paid. I made them promise.
That what will happen if you carry the drugs?
If I go to Hong Kong, they will give me money.
How much?
They will give me 3.5 million.
Were you to be given the money in Hong Kong or when you come back to Nigeria?
They will give me money in Hong Kong.
So what do you intend to do with that money in Hong Kong?
I will use them buy market.
What type of market?
Tokumbo, as I said before.
My people, make una follow me dey hear this one because no say if I come here dey tell our youth, especially our youth, make dey calm down. Na this type of thing na im make me dey tell dem make dey calm down, make dem take some things easy, you know. Be contented with whatsoever you have. If you are contented with whatsoever you have, things will not push you around, you know, and you will not accept anybody around you pressuring you for no reason. Now, this is a businessman in Araba International Market, you know, they catch am for Abuja Airport with something. Now, this man now, they have family, have kids, have wife, have brothers and sisters, and even have mother. Now, if this case results to this man now will end up in prison, who will be feeding his family? These are the things you need to think before you embark on any dangerous mission. Ndị Igbo si na onye ọbụla ọdụ ọsịsọ na-ezute ife ike na ọjụ ngwa ngwa na-erite ife ụta, ngwa ngwa na-ekweta ife ụta. Let us take things easy, you know. Let us take things easy. Everybody will not be Obi Kubana. Everybody will not be Dangote. Everybody will not be E-Money. Everybody will not be P2P. You know, you see these fingers, they are not equal, but all of them are working. Hope you see. Let us learn how to be contented with whatsoever we have. With whatsoever we have. Help me share this video.